2B straight exhaust?
Yep. So it's straight piped. It's the loudest Enzo you'll hear.
What a treat, everybody. We're going to hear a straight pipe Enzo. And yeah, our ears are already bleeding from the venom. But cold start. And that's it. When you shut it off, it's like, I think my ears are ringing.
It's loud.
It's
Like I said, different kind of sound than.
it's because of the firing order.
Right.
Because the talons go back and forth equally.
Yep.
And you know.
What's going on?
Oh, we got complaints now.
Nah. What's happening?
So, a little treat for you all. The transport of the day brought us to this.